Regardless of what your packaging looks like, I know I can improve your clicks by making this one change. There's a lot of things on your account that I think would be opportunities. I think you should file a new trademark. I think your brand name is too long. You may have a brand node ID to access brand analytics. We could come in and fix all that up. At the end of the day, though, what I'm hearing from you is you want to blow the brand up. You want to grow this thing. Can we acquire you new customers chasing new keywords you're not currently targeting? Or can we increase what we spend on the current keywords and hit diminishing returns, or get up as close as we can before the diminishing returns makes it not worthwhile? I call this the ICAP marketing funnel, ICAP, and it shows impressions, clicks, add to carts, and purchases. You got a long-term vision, you're in investment mode, and you want to see growth. I couldn't ask for anything better in a business relationship to be your marketing wing. Regardless of what your packaging looks like, I know I can improve your clicks by making this one change. Whether you hire me or not, go and do this. This will blow you away. Take 1 or 2 or 3 of these and put it out to the side so people can see the product. So you got 2 or 3 of these right there, right? That does not come across in the packaging. You need to set it aside to the corner and show them. I run this play over and over again. It'll improve your click-through rate. When your click-through rate improves, your traffic improves, your ACoS goes down, and your conversion also goes up. But Amazon's already got like a 10% conversion. So when we talk about the ICAP marketing funnel and the brand analytics, the I and the C are where more of the focus needs to go. Your designs are okay. It can always be improved. You show plenty of docs. A lot of people surprisingly mess that part up. When you go through that process, whether you hire MAG or not, you need to have an easy to read keyword, fairly decent with chicken wrap bones, not terrible. And in addition to that, show the product to the side. A lot of my strategies are all public. You go rip them, you could go replicate them, however you want to engage us. I know that if you watch enough of my videos, you'll come back and hire me. We'll do this kind of treatment to your products. Add a keyword, show the product, and that's going to move your product. Long story short, we come in, we audit, we figure out, hey, there's 17 more fields we can merchandise and fill out. The search term field has 250 characters. We run 4 phases of SEO. We try and index your product to be seen by more people. After we index it, we try and rank the product, which is move it up. So like the strike zones, like the keywords between ranks 20 through 50, try and push those up to ranks 1 through 10. And then we try and gain market share. I have a brand manager playbook. I sell this for $297. You could buy that today and see exactly all the plays we're going to run on your account. So my brand managers are programmed to run the strategy that I preach. If you like what's in my content, that is exactly what you're going to get in an agency model. We'll create the demand. You get me the supply.